Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Only YouTube channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Shelly.
Hello, Shelly. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here today.
It's great to see you, Michael. How are you?
I am doing very well, thank you. I have my coffee and I am ready. And you, Shelly?
I am great. I am very excited about our topic today.
Oh, a new topic. What is it?
Today, we are talking about something very important. We are talking about how we think.
How we think. You mean our ideas in our head?
Yes, exactly. There is a big word for this, mindset.
Mindset. That sounds big.
It sounds big, but the idea is very simple. Your mindset is just your feelings and ideas about something.
Ah, okay. Like English is hard. Is that a mindset?
Yes, that is a perfect example. Or English is fun. That is also a mindset.
I see. So today we are talking about good thinking for learning English.
Yes, how to change your thinking to change your life. It's very powerful.
Wow, I am ready. This sounds very useful.
Me too. But wait, Michael, before we start our big topic.
Ah, yes, our small request.
Yes, everyone listening, if you like our podcast, please take 1 second and click the like button.
Yes, please. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to English Podcast Only YouTube channel.
And share this episode with a friend. If you have a friend who is learning English, maybe they will like our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. Your support is wonderful.
Okay, so Michael, mindset, how we think.
Yes, you said English is hard is a mindset.
Yes, let's call this the stuck mindset.
Stuck. What does that mean?
Stuck is when you cannot move. You are in one place.
Ah, yes. I feel stuck sometimes. I feel my English is not getting better.
Yes, that is the feeling. The stuck mindset says, I am bad at this, or I will never learn.
Oh, yes. Those are sad thoughts.
They are, and when you think those thoughts, you want to stop.
Stop.
Exactly, you want to stop learning. You feel bad.
So this stuck mindset is not good.
No, but there is another mindset.
A better one?
Yes, a much better one. We can call it the growing mindset.
A growing mindset? Like a plant? A plant grows?
Yes, that is a perfect picture, Michael. A plant starts small and it grows bigger every day.
Okay, I like this. A growing mindset? What does it say?
The stuck mindset says, I am bad at this.
And the growing mindset?
The growing mindset says, I am learning this.
Ah, I am bad versus I am learning.
Yes, it feels different, right?
Very different. I am bad feels finished, but I am learning feels hopeful.
Hopeful. What a great word. Yes, the growing mindset says, this is new for me.
This is hard, but I can try.
Yes, you are a great student, Michael.
I'm trying. So the first step is to see our thoughts.
Yes. Are your thoughts stuck or are they growing?
Okay, but Shelley, how do I change my thoughts? If I feel I am bad, how do I stop that?
That is the big question. I have a magic word for you.
A magic word? I love magic.
It is a very small word. The word is yet.
Yet. Y-E-T.
Yes, yet.
I know that word. It means, like, not now, but maybe later.
Exactly. It means for now. It is a word of hope.
Okay, so how do I use this magic word?
Okay, let's take a stuck thought. For example, I do not understand.
Oh, yes, I think that in every English movie.
I do not understand.
Me too.
Now add the magic word at the end.
I do not understand yet.
Yes. How does that feel?
Wow, that feels so different.
Right?
I do not understand means I'm lost. Stop the movie.
Yes.
But I do not understand yet means I just need more time. Maybe tomorrow I will understand.
Yes. It means you are on the journey. You are growing.
Okay, let's try another one.
Okay, how about I cannot speak English fluently?
Oh, that is a big one. Okay, I cannot speak English fluently yet.
Yes, perfect.
This is fun. It's true. I am learning. I am not fluent yet.
But you will be, or you will be better. The yet opens the door for the future.
It takes the sad feeling away.
It does. It changes a stuck thought into a growing thought.
This is a great tip, Shelly. The magic word yet. I will remember that.
Good. Okay, so that is tip number 1. Now let's talk about something else.
What?
Let's talk about mistakes.
Oh no, mistakes. I hate mistakes.
I know. Everyone hates mistakes. When you make a mistake, how do you feel?
I feel stupid. I feel shy. I feel bad.
Yes, me too. We all feel that. This is the stuck mindset again.
Oh, so what does the growing mindset think about mistakes?
The growing mindset loves mistakes.
What? Loves mistakes? Shelly, no, that is crazy. Mistakes are bad.
No, listen. Think about a small child, a baby.
Okay, a baby.
Think about a baby learning to walk.
Oh yes, my little cousin Mia. She's 1 year old. She is learning to walk now.
Is she good at it? Does she walk perfectly?
No, she is very bad at it. She stands up and boom, she falls down.
Yes, she falls all the time.
All the time.
Now, Michael, when Mia falls down, what do you say to her?
Oh, we laugh and we say, "Good job, Mia. Try again. You can do it."
Exactly. Do you say, Mia, you are stupid. You are bad at walking. Stop trying.
Oh no, never. That is terrible.
Of course, because why did she fall?
Because she is learning.
Yes, the fall is part of learning. The mistake is how she learns.
Ah, I see. When she falls, her brain learns, oh, okay, that did not work. I must try a different way.
Yes, you got it. So learning English is like learning to walk.
It is exactly the same. When you make a mistake in English, I am not stupid.
No, you are learning.
I am falling.
Yes, you are falling, and it is okay. A mistake is not bad. A mistake is just information.
Information?
Yes, your brain says, oh, that word was not right. Okay, I will try a new word.
Good job, Michael. Try again.
Yes, you must be a good friend to yourself. When you make a mistake, say, it's okay, I'm learning. I am like baby Mia.
I like that so much. Mistakes are our friends.
Yes, they show us that we are trying, and trying is the most important part.
Wow. Okay, my mindset is changing.
Good.
So I have the magic word yet, and mistakes are my friends, but Shelly, it is still a lot of work. Learning English is a big job.
It is. It is like a very tall mountain.
Yes, and I am at the bottom. I look up at the top of the mountain and I feel tired.
Ah, yes, that is a big problem. So my next tip is,
Yes?
don't look at the top of the mountain.
What? But that is the goal.
It is, but it is too big. It makes you feel small. Don't look at the top. Just look at your feet.
My feet?
Yes, look at the next step. Just one small step.
I don't understand.
Okay, don't say, I must learn all English today.
Impossible.
Yes. Don't say, I must study for 5 hours. That is too big.
Yes, I am too busy.
Instead, say, today I will learn 2 new words.
2 words? Just 2?
Yes, 2 words is perfect.
I can do that. Dog and cat.
Good job. Or say, today I will listen to 1 English song.
1 song. That's easy. That's 3 minutes.
Yes. Or today I will watch 1 English podcast-only YouTube podcast episode.
A very good idea.
Yes, small steps. Every day, this is how you change your life.
You know, this makes me think of a small story.
Ooh, a story? Tell me.
There was a man. He wanted to build a very big, beautiful, long wall.
Okay, a big wall.
He looked at the big, empty space. He thought, I can never build this wall. It is too much work. He was very sad.
Oh no, the stuck mindset.
Yes, but then his wise old friend came.
Hello, wise friend.
And the friend said, you are right. You cannot build this big wall.
What? That is not helpful.
The friend said, do not try to build a wall.
But I want the wall.
The friend said, just look at this 1 brick. 1 brick.
Yes, your job today is not to build a wall. Your job today is to lay 1 brick perfectly.
Just 1 brick.
Yes, so the man did. He laid 1 brick. It was perfect.
And the next day?
He laid 1 more brick perfectly.
And the next day?
1 more brick.
And after many, many days.
He had his big, beautiful, long wall.
Michael, that is a perfect story.
He did not build a wall, he just laid 1 brick every day.
So our 2 new words, that is our 1 brick.
Yes, our 1 song, that is our 1 brick.
Wow, we are not learning English today. We are just laying 1 brick.
Yes, and soon we will look back and see a beautiful wall.
Michael, I feel so motivated.
Me too. I want to go lay a brick.
Yes, this is the growing mindset. It is not about being perfect today.
It is about being a little better than yesterday.
Yes, it is about the journey.
Wow, Shelly, this was a great chat.
It was, and look at the time. It went so fast.
Time flies when you are laying bricks.
Yes. So, let's remember our 3 big ideas for a growing mindset.
Okay, idea number 1. Change your stuck thoughts to growing thoughts.
Yes, I am bad is stuck. I am learning is growing.
Idea number 2. Use the magic word yet. I am not good yet.
I love that.
Me too. And idea number 3?
Mistakes are our friends. They are like falling when we learn to walk. It is okay.
Yes, and our bonus idea?
Don't build the wall. Just lay 1 brick. Take 1 small step every day.
That was great. Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, Shelly, and thank you everyone for listening to us.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope this helps you feel good about learning English.
We do. And please, if you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast Only YouTube channel.
And please give this video a like. It really helps other learners find our podcast.
And we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us.
What is your 1 brick for today?
Oh, I love that question.
Yes, what 1 small English thing will you do today?
Maybe you will write 1 comment in English. That is a perfect brick.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
We do. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. See you next time, Shelly.
Bye, Michael. Bye, everyone.